What if I told you that the first 5 minutes after you wake up could decide whether you live another 5, 10, even 30 more years? Not with pills, not with surgery, but with a simple morning habit backed by science and ancient wisdom. If you're waking up tired, stiff, Oregon foggy, this is your warning. But it's also your second chance. The moment your eyes open, your body, your brain, your spirit, they all await your command. That command determines whether you will age with grace or surrender to decline. What you do in those first few minutes has the power to restore vitality, improve balance, protect your heart, and even rebuild your mind. Let us begin with the first ritual, hydration. When you wake up, you may feel rested, but inside your body, a quiet struggle is already happening. As you sleep, your body loses water through breath and skin. You awaken already dehydrated. The moment you wake, before coffee, before food, drink 1 glass of room temperature water with the juice of a quarter lemon. The lemon provides potassium, vitamin C, and compounds that flush out the toxins your liver filtered overnight. The second ritual is movement. After hours of sleep, your blood settles, your joints stiffen, your circulation slows. Plant your feet shoulders apart, breathe deeply, raise your arms above your head, feel your lungs fill, lower them slowly, releasing the tension of sleep, then roll your shoulders back 5 times, then forward. Rotate your neck gently and perform 10 slow heel raises. These small movements reset your circulation. Now your body is hydrated, your blood is flowing, but what about your muscles? Especially after 65, something dangerous begins to happen. Within 30 minutes of waking, you must give your body clean protein. This may be a small shake, a few boiled eggs, a spoonful of yogurt with protein powder. This one act done consistently has been shown to reduce muscle loss by up to 60% over 5 years. The fourth step is one most people never think about, but it might be the very reason some elders fall while others still dance. That is mobility. Right after your circulation resets, sit on the edge of your bed. Rotate your ankles 10 times in each direction. Rotate your knees gently. Stand, hold the chair and twist your torso left and right. Lean from side to side. Roll your shoulders. Breathe. Mobility is freedom. Lose it and you lose your independence. But practice it and you walk into each day with balance and grace. And now the fifth step, perhaps the most sacred. You have awakened your body, but what of the mind? So before the noise of the world enters your life, take 1 minute for mental clarity. Sit in silence, close your eyes, and begin to remember yesterday. This small practice builds something called cognitive reserve, your brain's ability to stay strong even as you age. So now you know, just 5 minutes, 5 intentional steps. Hydration, movement, nourishment, mobility, clarity. Simple, gentle, powerful. You, my elder friend, still have a choice. You can begin your day rushed, scattered, and drained, or you can rise like the Shaolin, calm, focused, and full of quiet strength. So, tomorrow morning, before the world calls your name, take back those 5 minutes, stand tall, drink slowly, move gently, eat with intention, remember with gratitude. Let your morning be a sacred ritual, a time of honoring your body, your breath, and your being. You are not here just to survive your later years, you are here to thrive in them. If you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more healthy videos.